Sego, this is Purple Prefixes Part 3. In this video, you're going to study the prefixes for when 3 or more people are speaking to or about any number of people. Keep trying to guess the right prefix before I tell you the answer. Ready? Here we go. You all and I to him. Echidewa, echidewa nuwes. You all and I to her. Yeti, yeti nuwes. You all and I to them males. Yeti, yeti nuwes. You all and I to them females. Yeti, yeti nuwes. They and I to you. Gwa, gwa nuwes. They and I to him. Sagwa, sagwa nuwes. They and I to her. Yaki, yaki nuwes. They and I to you two. Gwa, gwa nuwes. They and I to all of you. Gwa, gwa nuwes. They and I to them males. Yaki, yaki nuwes. They and I to them females. Yaki, yaki nuwes. You all to me. Dagwa, dagwa nuwes. You all to him. Echizewa, echizewa nuwes. You all to her. Yeti, yeti nuwes. You all to someone and I. Dagwa, dagwa nuwes. You all to them and I. Dagwa, dagwa nuwes. You all to them males. Yeti, yeti nuwes. You all to them females. Yetzi, yetzi nuwes. They to me. Yunge, yunge nuwes. They to you. Yeza, yeza nuwes. They to him. Rumwa, rumwa nuwes. They males to her. Sagodi, sagodi nuwes. They females to her. Yagodi, yagodi nuwes. They to you and I. Yunki, yunki nuwes. They to someone and I. Yunki, yunki nuwes. They to you too. Yetzi, yetzi nuwes. They to all of you and me. Yunki, yunki nuwes. They to them and I. Yunki, yunki nuwes. They to all of you. Yetzi, yetzi nuwes.